So another technique that will involve your fingers, yung dang samad. We all know this. D A N G S balik S A M A D. That will be your dang samad. So in here, your D will represent your dopamine, A for acetylcholine, N for norepinephrine, G for your GABA, and this will be representing the serotonin. Then after that, going back to samad, S for schizo, A for Alzheimer's, M for mania, another A for anxiety, and the last one is depression. So in here, bakit ganito? It will represent high, low, low. So again, i-repeat lang natin. Kapag high yung D sa dopamine, meron siyang S, schizo. Then, ganun lang din sa iba. Basta this will represent yung dang samad and the high, low, low. Kapag dito naman sa middle finger, bakit high? Ano dito? D-A-N, N for norepinephrine, sa samad naman is M. So meron siyang mania. Yun lang.